Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by joining the Myntra affiliate program and finishing KYC. This unlocks tracking and payouts. Once done, choose a tight niche so your recommendations match intent. This raises conversion rates and simplifies content. Make sure to configure payment and tax details now, then create tracking links with UTM tags for each channel. Doing this early prevents lost commissions later and gives you clean data to optimize. Now move to content and traffic tactics. You now build the middle, content and distribution. Produce specific transactional pieces, product reviews, top 10 lists, and outfit combos that include Myntra links. Once published, wrap those affiliate links into short, trusted URLs and add UTM parameters so you can see which posts drive sales. Promote across channels. Short videos for discovery, email for intent, and blog posts for search traffic. Make sure to test headlines and thumbnails. Small changes often yield big lift in click-through and conversions. You finish by optimizing and scaling. Regularly review conversion data and focus on the products and channels that produce the majority of commissions. Once you see consistent ROI, scale with paid ads or influencer cross-posts. Make sure margins cover ad spend. If commissions drop, troubleshoot immediately. Verify that affiliate tokens are valid, check UTM persistence, and confirm Myntra reporting timestamps. Finally, maintain a cadence of fresh content and seasonal updates so your links stay relevant and sales keep growing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.